Hi, Greasy Garage Dwellers. I'm Chuck. This is Up Chuck Chops. Welcome back. Today, more work on the pretty and pink Manco four-wheeler. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get to it. I'm tethered by a new microphone. Hopefully it works. You guys have missed a bunch. Four-wheeler doesn't look any different because I've been battling engine placement issues. If I go where I need to be that way, the chain doesn't fit right. If I come back, it doesn't fit right. So I don't know if this will work or not, but I purchased a chain tensioner and I'm going to remount the engine, see if I can get the tensioner attached, and see if I can make it work. So it's been a headache. It has been hours and hours and hours in the shop, fighting, drilling holes, making a plate, moving it. Yeah. So enough complaining. I need to get to work now. I have the engine in. You weren't here for it, but there's a good hour and a half of struggling between the last clip and this one. I do have 4 mounting bolts through the engine. 2 of them go through, tilt you up, through both mounting plates. I think I'm going to have to tack weld this upper one just to make sure it stays still. I have clearance on my chain and the torque converter housing. I still have a little bit of slop, but like I said, I have that tensioner I can work in underneath here by my fingers if need be. So what I need to do now is set my gas tank, put fuel to it, let it run a little bit, see if the chain bind snaps, flies off, whatever the case may be. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to snap the air cleaner and carbs on. Put the air cleaner assembly on, put my fuel tank on, hook the fuel up, and see if we can test run this for a little bit. Alright, all we gotta do now is do a little gas enter. Open the doors. Petrol time. That'll be enough to run her for a minute. I do have a fire extinguisher. Very nearby. Now, fuel on. Start. Choke. Set the throttle halfway. Go switch on. I have fuel in my filter. See if she goes. part, doing it. That's pretty awesome. Come here and check this out. Uh-oh. I'm losing fuel. And I don't know why. Rats. Looks like it's out of the back of the carburetor. I'm going to turn my fuel off. But one would think... Now, I bought this thing because they're supposed to be reliable. I haven't done that much to it to make it... Maybe I didn't have it tight enough. Certainly not from my fuel line. Maybe I just didn't have these tight enough. Turn the fuel back on and see what happens. Still dripping. That is considerable. Alright. Figure this out. Let's try it again. Fuel on. I reset the carburetor. I think maybe it was a little cockeyed. Not happy. I don't see any gas dripping right now though. Right side, my chain hasn't grenaded yet. So far, so good. I'm going to take this win. Alright, so what did I learn today? I ran this thing for about 15 minutes. Yeah, probably 15. And runs pretty good. You have to make sure the intake carb bolts are good and snug or you'll leak gas out of the back of the carb. I need to get chain tension. One less link and I'm too tight. One more link, I'm too loose. I'm happy with where my engine is. So I'm thinking I'll put in a chain tensioner. Like this. And I think I can just mock this up, set it in there, and it doesn't have to move. It should just ride. But, so I need that. The muffler here gets very hot. So does this frame rail. So I need to, there's a couple things I could do. I can get an exhaust kit, which I'm not sure will work. I can cut the muffler off, try to make a bend out of some tubing I have, which probably isn't going to work. Or I can build some heat shielding and heat sink, pull the heat away. That might work. We'll have to see. you watched this far, thanks for watching. Uh, Give me a like, comment if you can, and subscribe if you like my stuff. Let me know how my new mic's doing. There's a little interference right this second because I have a box fan going, cool the engine, so I can do some more work, make some more videos. And I got raindrops on a tin roof. That's not helping either. But earlier it wasn't raining this hard, so I'll look at it when I edit it. Anyhow, thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to keep wrenching.